What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in. I'm at the car show in Pearland, Texas, at Freddy's. It's like an old school, new school car show that gets pretty popular, gets pretty thick out here. And what I have to show you guys is a vehicle that's very special. Probably will never see a vehicle like this, anything of the sort. I took some photos probably about a month ago, and I had a lot of feedback, and people were like, well, what do you mean? What do you mean? So I have it here on display, and I have the owner, Bert, here. He's gonna give you an explanation. So what I'm gonna do is just do a quick little walk around and, and show you, and try to explain exactly what it is. So right here, you have a 1970 GTO, Pontiac GTO, with a 2006 GTO remix to it. But I want to have Bert explain exactly what's going on here. All right, Bert, tell me what we got going on over here.
All right, so the car is a 2006 GTO, the new GTO. Bought it wrecked off the salvage yard and cut all the 06 sheet metal off and put the 70 sheet metal on. So it is for all aspects of 2006 GTO, all the creature comforts of the new car, tilt, cruise, anti-lock brakes, traction control, all those goodies.
So most people, they just take the old car and just slap the new interior in and do an LS swap. And
I get a lot of, it's an LS swap car, and it's really the LS belongs, the interior and dash belong.
Okay.
It's the sheet metal that's been changed on the car.
Okay.
So it's backwards. You got to think backwards on it. Instead of putting the new and the old, I put the old sheet metal on it.
Okay.
It's a fun car to drive.
This is like calculus, a derivative. That's what it is. It's a mathematical derivative, and you're trying to figure out the root of it all, kind of deal. All right, so what we have is, it's an LS motor. It was a what, LS2, 3?
It's a LS2, cast iron LS2 block, 6.0, stroked.
Okay.
So
how many cubes?
It's 406 and stroked, and then twin 67 millimeter precision turbo.
Twin 67s.
Car runs on 93 pump gas.
Pump gas.
Spraying methanol. Spray methanol, about 8 pounds of boost. I start spraying the methanol.
So we got dual nozzle.
Two 15 millimeter nozzles top.
Wow.
And makes a little over 1,000 to the tire.
1,000 to the wheels. That's not crank. You can go up and crank. This is wheel. All right.
A little over 1,000 at the tire. Wow.
What do we got going on with the interior on this?
So there again, that's the factory interior. 2006, just like the 2006 car came. So here,
all right.
Here you go. So
this car identifies as a snowmobile. Okay. Yeah, I can see it. I can definitely see it. So this is, I've seen the 06 GTO. They always have the fuel tank in the rear.
Yeah, so the 06 GTO had the tank up here.
Yeah.
And I moved it, had to move it down.
Yeah.
I didn't have the deck clearance for it.
Okay.
It set up there where it's supposed to be.
Okay.
So that's moved down. Then this is my methanol tank.
Mm-hmm. Fill her up gas tank?
Gas tank, where I fill the gas tank.
Okay. All right, so what shop did all this work?
Me. Everything was done at my house in my shop behind my house. The only thing I didn't do was paint it. Kenny Gould gets paint credits for making it shiny and pretty.
And this paint is flawless, guys.
He does very good work.
And what kind of wheels we got here?
Tuned by G-Force Motorsports.
Okay.
Pearland.
I've seen them around.
Yeah, that's a different G-Force. But that G-Force there, G-Force Motorsports,
gotcha.
In Pearland.
Okay.
He tunes it, and car runs good.
What's our wheel setup?
335s, 18s on the back, and then 345s on the front.
18 by 12s, 10s?
Those are 12.
18 by 12, okay.
Yeah.
All right. This is a sick car. What made you come up with the tag Mutant 2?
Well, I have another one. I have a 2004 GTO that I put a 65 body on.
Really?
That's V1.
Okay.
And then this is V2.
Is it just as clean?
The 65 has been together for about 10, 11 years, and it's got road chips, rock chips. I drive the crap out of them. So
okay. That's good. That's what it's made. That's what you're supposed to do.
It's nice. I'm ready to repaint it. It needs a new paint job.
Okay.
But
same idea on that one. You did.
Same exact same.
Wow.
It's a 2004 instead of a 2006 and 65 body. It's a LS1 car, 6-speed car. Pretty stock on that one. Pretty not making a ton of horsepower.
Yeah.
This one makes the horsepower. The other one is a really good highway cruiser. It's a good car to get to Dallas and stuff.
And I see you got Mutant 3 working.
I have a 67 Firebird that I'm playing with right now. Yeah, that it's in the process. I'm not sure where I'm going yet. So, not a lot of info on that one. He's a genius.
And man, when you check out his social media, man, you will see that he's got his own rotisserie at the house.
I fell in love with it.
So guys, like I said, this vehicle here is super clean. And if you're thinking it's one of those like, a retro build where it's a 70 and you just slap some interior in it, it's not that. This is actually the opposite. This is an actual 06 GTO with the sheet metal from a 70. You had something before that the fenders, the aprons, he had to actually extend them just to fit these long freaking fenders on it. But this car is super clean. It's twin turbo. It's quiet. When I tell you that this car alone is just, it's sick. This is a quality build right here, man. Especially to do it in your backyard. That's goals. Straight up, that's goals, man. All right, beautiful car. I gotta thank Bert, man.
Good
man,
talking to
this
you, man.
right here is a sick car. I want to see this thing at SEMA or something big. I don't meek them and it goes for 100K, something like that. This is like, it takes a lot to impress me, and this is impressive. So I definitely got to thank Bert just for taking the time out and kind of explaining to you guys exactly what we see here. If you guys see it in person, hey, give him a handshake, high five, and tell him job well done. All right, this is your boy No Chill Chad checking out. This is Bert. Take it easy, man. Enjoy the show.